It's finally happened, guys. It's arrived. It's launched. I've got the free course for you. So this video today is just to give you a little bit of insight of what you're going to get, okay? But it's absolutely 100% free. I'm really pumped to bring this to market. It's going to be huge. It's going to change so many people's lives, and I'm so proud to be a part of it. You may have seen some of my social media posts over the last few days. But now I've got it ready to go. I'm going to go through it with you, and I'm going to leave a link to this course down in the comments below that you can just click on, enter your details, and get access straight away to a 100% free course to teach you everything you need to know about creating an online business. It's amazing. So let's get into it. Let me show you what you're going to get. I'll share my screen and we'll take it from there. Okay, so where are we? I'm so excited about this, guys. Okay, found it. We're there. You should be able to see my screen now. Right. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready? Here's the course, guys. Freedom Accelerator, free white label course. And as obviously on the first page, you've got the introduction. You've got my little video about myself there. And then I'm introducing you to my mentor and coach, Jonathan Montoya. And for those of you who know who Jonathan is, an absolute genius when it comes to affiliate marketing, online business creation. Jonathan, I mean, I think it was 2019 when Jonathan was able to quit his full-time electrical engineering job within 9 months of starting his affiliate marketing business. So Jonathan's going to basically take you through this course and give you a fantastic presentation on how you can change your life and teach you the methods, the step-by-step process that he's followed in his business to date, that he still does now, that has enabled him to create a 7-figure online business. Honestly, it's absolutely amazing, the value you're going to get from this. So the course content itself, where, as it says there, guys, a free course, completely free. All you have to do is click on the link, enter your details, and you get access straight away. So, of course, as the introduction, you're going to get a blueprint to quitting your 9-to-5 job. Absolutely priceless, isn't it? That's what we all want to achieve in life. It's financial freedom and being able to walk away from our 9-to-5 and say, see you, boss. Okay, so next stage, you're going to learn how to set up an automated system that pays you passive income for life. And that's looking at your sort of recurring income streams. And Jonathan takes you through all that. Again, on to the next phase, you're looking at basically gives you the best affiliate programs and softwares that you can implement into the process of your own business, so you can have multiple income streams. Okay, and again, Jonathan's the king when it comes to this. He'll teach you everything you need to know. You just need to take this course and follow the steps, and you'll get success from this process. You've just got to put the work in, take action, be consistent, and you'll see results. Again, next chapter here, we're going on to how to build $100 a day email list. Then you go into how to build an affiliate system, like again, free step-by-step and click-by-click system that he teaches you. How to get unlimited traffic and customers to your links for free. And if you want financial freedom faster, if you need mentoring, he discusses that. The opportunities there and how far you take this is completely up to you guys. It's what this is doing is just giving you an introduction into affiliate marketing and an online business, so you haven't got to invest in anything first of all, just to see if it's going to be for you. Okay, this is a gift from us to you for you to test the waters, and that's all what it's about. It's the amount of information you're going to get from this is crazy. It gives you loads of tools, loads of ideas on how to get instant leads. So honestly, honestly, if you've been looking at going into affiliate marketing or any online business, you can take this course and take it to whatever part of online business you want to work in. It hasn't got to be promoting anything in the wealth niche. It can be in any niche you choose to work in. But this course is going to be such a game changer for you. It's going to get you on the path to success, completely free. I'm so proud to be a part of it, and I really hope you check it out. Take a look at that link. I'll pop the link below in the comment section. If you want to add any comments in there yourself or ask me any questions, please feel free to do so. I've got other links and other ways of contacting me within my obviously on my channel in the about section, so take a look at that. But yeah, guys, really grab this opportunity. It's an amazing opportunity for you to get into the industry free of charge, test the waters, see if it's going to be for you, and then you can take things from there. So there's not much more I can really say about that program at this stage. I just really hope you take action and change your life and try to get to that stage where you can achieve some financial freedom. And what it's about is we all want more family time, don't we? And we want to have quality time, so we're present in the moment and we're not just looking forward to the weekend, so we can have a couple of days of freedom. Because let's be honest, when you're stressed at work, is it really freedom? Because you can't get out of your headspace. You know you've got to go back to work on a Monday morning. So true freedom is not having to worry about anything financial. When you're with your family, you're with your family. So I'll leave you with that thought, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very short presentation, but I just had to bring this to you as soon as possible. Click the link below, get started, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.